Resolution condemning in the strongest terms the killing of Governor Roel Degamo of the province of Negros Oriental. Whereas Governor Roel Degamo of the province of Negros Oriental was shot dead in the vicinity of their family's residential compound on Saturday, March 4, 2023. Whereas according to the Philippine National Police, Negros Oriental, the killing happened in Barangay 9, Pamplona, Negros Oriental, while he was distributing aid to constituents. He was pronounced dead at 11:41 a.m. as confirmed by his wife, Pamplona Mayor Janice Degamo, in a video message. PNP Central Visayas said 6 assailants used long firearms and fled the scene aboard 2 SUVs. Whereas meanwhile, the number of fatalities in the shooting incident has risen to 9, which included 2 barangay officials, 17 others were injured, among them the provincial health officer and 2 members of the Army 11th Infantry Battalion. Whereas subsequently, a suspect was killed in the course of hot pursuit operations and other suspects were arrested and firearms believed to have been used in the killings were recovered. Whereas Governor Degamo is the latest to be targeted in the Philippines' long history of attacks on politicians and is at least the 3rd to be shot since local elections just last year. Whereas the Sangguniang Panlalawigan expresses outrage over this barbaric act and urges the concerned government agencies for the speedy resolution of the case in order that the perpetrators of these heinous crimes be brought to justice and peace be attained. Now therefore a motion of Honorable also and anyway, resolved as it is hereby resolved to condemn in the strongest terms the killing of Governor Roel Degamo of the province of Negros Oriental. Copy to be furnished to the province of Negros Oriental, the Philippine National Police, the National Philippine National Police, as well as the regional and the provincial offices.
Your Honor, may we be all co-sponsors of your
You're all welcome. Yes.
Thank you. I so move.
So moved and is unanimously seconded. Motion is approved.